Ever get to work and realize your whole commute disappeared into scrolling? Well, here's a trick that turns a couple minutes of dead time into something that actually moves your day forward. Hi, I'm Catherine from the BOOX marketing team, and today we'll talk about why commutes can be so easy to waste and how to change your habits to make that time more productive. It's morning, you're tired, you're in transit, and your phone is right there. The default becomes doom scrolling because it's effortless. Taking your phone out of your pocket and doing nothing is way too easy. But with a BOOX e-paper device like the Palm 2 Pro, you're given a different default. It's roughly the same size as your phone, and so it's easy to make the switch. But the Palm 2 Pro is much less conducive to doom scrolling than your smartphone is. And BOOX devices have a built-in reading app called the Neo Reader, which gives you a clean, focused way to read without endless feed. No notifications pulling you away. And because that becomes the default action, you're not relying on willpower. You're just swapping what's easiest in the moment. And with the InkSense Plus stylus, you can easily plan your day or write down some ideas. BOOX also makes turning your commute into a learning opportunity easy. With the Google Play Store, you can download any language learning apps you want. You can also use the Palm 2 Pro's 5G connectivity to download articles and PDFs into Neo Reader to gain some knowledge during that dead time. Or you can just clean up loose ends. Review your schedule, send an email, or set your top 3 priorities for the day. You get a tiny win before you even arrive, so that you're already feeling productive. And that's what makes it feel like you've got your time back. If you want to check out BOOX, the link is in the description. Leave us a comment, share your commute routine. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more BOOX content. Bye!